Welcome to Spring LIB.
The general wave equation relating the spatial derivatives of y of x of t to its time derivatives is given by del square y over del x square is equal to 1 over v square times del square y over del t square. Let's remind this equation as a star. Now, here the given data are y of x of t is equal to x square plus v square t square. Let's say equation 1. Also we have y of x of t is equal to sine of x times cos of vt for part C. Let's say equation number 2. Here the required data in part A, we are asked to show equation 1 is a solution of equation star. In part B, we are asked to show that equation 1 can be written as f of x plus vt plus g of x minus vt. In part C, we are asked to show the equation 2 is a solution of equation star and can be written as f of x plus vt plus g of x minus vt. Now let's start the solution. So here we are going to differentiate equation 1 with respect to time. So that will give del of y upon del of t will be equivalent to 2v square t. Let's say equation number 3. Now differentiating equation 3 again with respect to time. So that will give us del square y over del t square will be equivalent to 2v square. Let's say equation number 4. Now, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, that will give us del y over del x is equivalent to 2x. Let's say equation 5. And we are going to differentiate equation 3 again with respect to x, that will give us del square y over del x square will be equivalent to 2. Let's say equation 6. Now substitute from equation 4 and 6 into equation star. We will get, that means this equation and this equation into this equation. So we will get 2 is equal to 1 over v square times 2v square. Simply that will give the answer 2. So here, since left hand side is equivalent to right hand side, we can say that equation 1 is a solution of equation star. Now moving to the part B, we do the following manipulations to prove that equation 1 can be written as f of x plus vt plus g of x minus vt, so that simply we are going to rearranging this equation 1 by writing y is equal to x of t is equivalent to x square plus v square t square. Let's multiply and divide this whole equation by 2. So it's a 2 times x square plus v square t square is equal to 1 half. Now it is a 2 times, then Instead of multiplication, I can write it in the form of addition also. So I can write this x square plus v square t square plus x square plus v square t square. Now let's do the further simplification. The whole term x square plus v square t square can be expanded as x square plus v square t square plus 2xvt plus x square plus v square t square minus 2xvt. That will be equivalent to 1 half x plus vt whole square plus x minus vt whole square. Here we have added and subtract this term to write it in this form. So that will be equivalent to function of x plus vt, we can see over here, plus g of function g of x minus vt, which is over here. As we can see that functional form of f is f of x plus vt is equivalent to 1 half x plus vt square, and the functional form of g is g of x minus vt is equivalent to 1 half into x minus vt whole square. Now moving further, for the solution of part C, we are going to differentiate equation 2 with respect to time. So we will have del y over del t will be equivalent to minus v of sine x sine vt. Let's say equation 7. We are going to differentiate equation 7 again with respect to time. So that will give us del square y over del t square will be equivalent to minus v square sine of x and cos of vt. Let's say it equation 8. Now differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, that will give us del y over del x is equivalent to cos of x into cos of vt. Let's say equation 9. Again we are going to differentiate equation 7 with respect to x, that will give us del square y over del x square will be equivalent to minus sine of x times cos of vt. Let's say equation 10. Now substitute equation 8 and 10 into equation star. So we will get the answer minus sine of x cos of vt is equivalent to 1 over v square minus v square sine x times cos vt, which will give the answer minus sine of x cos of vt. As we can see that left hand side and right hand side part are equal. So equation 2 is a solution of equation star, that we can say that, or it is proven. Now moving further, we do the following manipulations to prove the equation 2 can be written as f of x vt plus g of x minus vt. So I can write y of xt is equal to sine of x times cos of vt. So equivalent to 1 half to sine of x. Here we are going to multiply and divide it by 2 to the whole equation. So now we know 2 sine cos will give the result 1 half times sin x cos vt plus sin vt cos x plus sin x cos vt plus, sorry, here the sign will come minus sin vt cos x. Now incorporate that sine of x plus or minus y will be equivalent to sin x cos y plus or minus sin y cos x. So moving further, I can write this equation as 1 half sin x plus vt plus sin x minus vt, which is equivalent to f of x plus vt plus g of x minus vt. As we can see that functional form of f is f of x plus vt is equivalent to 1 half sine x plus vt, and the functional form of g is equivalent to g of x minus vt is 1 half times sine of x minus vt.